Hi, welcome back subscriber. Today I am going to give you the third update on the NPTEL examination 2020. The exam which was supposed to be take on the last month in March and April, that is already postponed, and now the exam is going to be conducted. So lots of the subscribers and friends are running behind the information and they are not getting the sufficient information. Already I have provided those all information with help of two videos. Already I have uploaded on the channel. You can go and watch it. So those all are authorized information only. And now I am going to clear some of the doubts and what are the process and when your exam will be, how you can cancel your exam, or how you can change your mode of exam, and how much money you will get once you refund, or if you are unable to write exam on that particular slot, then what will be happen, how much refund you will get once you cancel the exam, will you get any additional things for your effort. You have already worked 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 4 weeks, 12 weeks for one course. You are continuously doing assignment, and once you cancel, will you get anything or not, or how to attend the exam. So those all things today I will clear. And what is the last date to apply for cancellation of the exam, or what is the last date you can apply for the change of center, like that. And also I am going to give you the clarity about the tomorrow exam, what will be happen about the tomorrow exam. Most of the subscribe, must means not must, must all everyone is telling that for tomorrow exam, June 4th exam, they have no update, they are not getting any link or any update on that. And even the instructor posted that this information is authorized only, but he also left with some confusion. So let me first take a look. So first I will talk about the tomorrow exam, because this is the recent and this is the urgent one. So I will first discuss about that. But at first, please you do subscribe my channel for such video information and the genuine information on time manner. So please first you subscribe my channel, so you will get the all information, and I will also get motivation to provide such information and regarding online courses and this type of different online activities and internship, whatever the things will be related to academic, I will provide. So please you first subscribe the channel, and also you recommend other to subscribe the channel and forward this video to everyone, all your friends, faculty and colleagues, so they will get clarity about the examination, NPTEL examination. Already you know the NPTEL is working with less manpower in these holidays, and due to the less manpower, the NPTEL is not able to give information on the time. They are delaying, they are unable to announce the notice on timely being, and most of you are getting problem. I am also getting, but I am looking, continuously looking. I am approaching the authorized person, and I am collecting information and providing you for the sake of clarity. So please you subscribe the channel. So first I am going to talk about the tomorrow examination. I got frequently around 500 questions like, I am unable to complete the test, mock test, what will be happen? I completed mock test and I am unable to fill the form, what will be happen, like that question. So first, if you have completed the mock test but unable to complete the form, second step, then don't worry, you have still two chances. You can either appear on the in-personal exam. In-personal exam means like last year or usual, NPTEL will locate one center, and on that you have to appear and you have to write the exam, right? And otherwise you can go for cancel. If you are asking, is they will provide the next chance to write the exam, online exam, remote online protected exam, like online exam, on the course for enhancing soft skill and personality. So I want to clear you that still we don't have any authorized information on that. They are going to conduct again next exam for the enhancing soft skill and personality. For remaining course there is option, all this option is there, but for enhancing soft skill and personality still there is no clear cut information. Once I will get clear cut information, I will definitely make one small video and post. So please you subscribe, you will get the notification. Also click on bell icon, so you will get notification. As soon as I will get information, I will post the video. So tomorrow they are going to conduct the trial phase of the online examination. In that they are going to include 5,000 students, 5,000 learners at a time for trial. So that is the things tomorrow they are going to do. So let me also show you what the instruction has been posted from the course. So in course announcement session we have got this information. You can see here, exam tomorrow. So there is, of course, that is genuine information I have given to you all, that tomorrow is exam. No doubt there is tomorrow exam for 5,000 learn. But is there is any revision on that? In addition they are adding some number, more number, or what? There is no information at all. They are telling that, you can see the mail regarding tomorrow exam is authorized, authenticate. If you are interested in giving it tomorrow, please follow the instruction. If you are not prepared for tomorrow, you can give in the next time. So here the professor is itself not clear, or they are not able to notice that they are providing, or he is providing the insufficient information. He is telling that if you are interested in giving tomorrow exam, please follow the instruction. Where is the instruction? There is no instruction they have provided, or else we have also not got any mail regarding tomorrow examination. On June 1 at 8 p.m. around, we get the information regarding registration and those trial test and apply second form. We have to fill second form if you are interested. Like that we had got. We completed that, and we also took, most of us took the trial and also completed the second step form. But after that they have not given any information, and none of the instruction is pending, we have to complete. So they are giving incomplete information. Please wait till late night. I hope till late night they will upload. Due to manpower they are unable to update all the information and announcement on the timely being. So please you wait. I hope by the evening or the late night or the early night we will definitely get some instruction from NPTEL. So I think the professor is talking about that instruction, and he is also telling that if you are not prepared well for tomorrow, then please you can write or give it the next time. Here the professor is itself rising contradiction, because the professor and the NPTEL authorized team, it seems like there is no connection at all. Because in the mail we got the day before yesterday, there was clearly mentioned that once you apply for the examination, online examination, remote online protected examination, you will not able to cancel the exam, or you will not get the next chance, or you will not get any refund. The person who have not completed step 2 including step 1, then that person will able to write the in-personal examination, means that on the exam center, or cancel the examination according to the mail we got the day before yesterday. But in today mail, not today mail, this is not a mail, this is instruction from the professor. So he is telling that if you are not ready, you can give in the next time. So I am not sure. I suggest you, please you don't follow this instruction. Please, if you have already filled those form, then please you attend the examination, you take the examination, because there is looking like this information is not complete information, and the instruction given by this professor is itself incomplete and contradictory. So he is one personal body for the particular course, but for the entire NPTEL, that mail is carrying the more credit. So please you follow the instruction given in mail, and please you appear for the examination, and you wait for the further instruction till late night. Okay, that is the thing. And I tried to reach out on the call, but I was unable. So please, I also suggest you, please you leave mail on this ID. I have also leave some mail on this ID regarding this contradiction. So you also please leave mail on this ID, and once you will get any information or update from the NPTEL team, then please you post that information in comment section or let me know, so I will inform everyone and we will get insurity about the next step what we have to do. So okay, thanks. I hope you are getting clarity about this. And regarding the cancellation of examination, so some are asking, will I able to get 100% like 1000 rupees refund or what? So please, there is no confusion at all. NPTEL is going to only return you 800 rupees and they will charge 200 rupees. They will not give you 200 rupees because their team is there. They work day and night. They record video and they provide assignment. There is arrangement, official arrangement. So those money they will not provide you. And but still you will get some points, and the NPTEL is trying to address your issue. So NPTEL provide you one report card. You will get one report card, a score report card. So you can show that this I have done this course. Of course that is not equal to the certificate, but at least you will get something. So the report will be like this. You can see here there will be written national program on technology enhancement learning. So this is NPTEL. This is full form of NPTEL. And here your date will be given, and those name, email ID, and your score. What are the score depending on how many weeks in your course or how many weeks for your course. Those weeks will be mentioned here, and this type of your photo will be here, and this type of one report card you will get from NPTEL if you cancel the exam. But if you write the exam, you will get one certificate from NPTEL like as usual. If you pass the exam, you will get the certificate as usual. If you fail the exam, you will not get any certificate or any money. So let me go to the now next step for remaining exam and what are the other updates and how you can choose for your online examination, how to apply. So let me also add you here. Here I am getting option like when I try to change the center for yesterday, for tomorrow exam also I am getting here apply online examination. So I will apply online, and I think this may be the next step we have to go. So you also go through this. So let me tell you sequentially what we have to do. So I can tell you very clearly how can you come here and how can you fill this and how can you complete the entire things. So let me take you one by one, step by step information. So you will get all those information. So please first you subscribe the channel for the more information and update on the NPTEL. So now what is the next instruction we got for the all courses? So in all courses you have got this this announcement. So you can see here the announcement is new exam dates and option for January to April 2020 exam. So this is on the exam NPTEL we are getting. So there is already I have mentioned the earlier exam was scheduled on 29th March, 25th, 26th, also 24th there is some dated. So I will show you those all dates. So they are providing three options: remote protected online examination, The next option is in personal protected exam at fixed examination center as usual. This is, we are talking about online examination. This is online examination. And the third option is cancel the exam and take the refund. Right. So this is the instruction you are getting for the all course announcement session. You go for your course and check the announcement session. So there is some requirement for protected online examination. You need one laptop or desktop with web camera, mic and good internet connection, and possible date is there is a little change in date. So here the date is from June 12 to June 21, maybe the expected date. In that your course will be scheduled for the online examination. So please you check on announcement section regularly, and also you keep on tracking my video updates. So this is the requirement you have to meet for the remote examination. And for in-person examination, here they are mentioning that in TCS Ion they are going to conduct some examination. Most of subscriber is also asking about what is TCS Ion. So TCS Ion is nothing but there is some center like in Vizag or Hyderabad, Bangalore. There is some center. There is like TCS Ion, like there is APDC. There is different organization body, right? Like that there is TCS Ion is one organization body. They has one building in particular city, and they has all those facility for conducting online examination. So they used to just conduct different examination, online examination, job examination, internship examination through their center. So if someone want to conduct some online examination, so those people used to contact the TCS Ion people, and they used to schedule the exam on that center, and those people, other people can go there and write examination. So the TCS Ion is nothing that is one type of college or campus or just one organization. There the NPTEL will conduct online examination, or any other organization conduct their online examination, because there is sufficient and well managed infrastructure for online examination, right? So in that they are going to conduct on the date 23, 24 and 25th, okay, of June. And which exam will be conducted on which date, so I will also talk about those all details. And now regarding cancellation of the exam and take the refund. So here this is the link you can go for, even you want to select the type of examination. Here they are providing a little bit less information. Actually they are unable to spot that the information is not sufficient here. Actually this is the link not only for cancellation of examination, but also to select the mode of examination. So from this link only you can select the mode of examination, in what mode you want to give. Like you want to give online examination or in-person examination, or you want to cancel the examination. So what is the last date to apply the cancellation or changing the mode of examination? Already I have explained this all in the second video, yesterday video itself. So the last date for this application you can apply till June 7. Till June 7 is the official date you have to apply, and 10 AM. Before that you have to apply for the online examination or the in-person examination, or you want to cancel the exam, right? So that is the information here, and you can apply from here. So let me tell you all information, then after I will come back and I will tell you how to apply and how you can refund. You will get refund and cancel the exam, or you can choose the mode of examination. So here is some more details they are providing. Already I have explained very well in the first video itself, the day before yesterday video. You can go in playlist and check those video. I will also provide this video link in the video description, those video links, and also in I button of this video. Okay. So those all requirement already I have stated, and regarding mock test already stated, and regarding the second step, this is already I have stated those all. And here is one note is that if you are unable to complete mock test, means due to any problem, then you will not be able to consider for the online examination. So here the NPTEL is making mandatory to complete first and second stage. Like some yesterday itself, someone was asking me, am I able to directly fill the second form and write the exam? Then according to this information given details, you can't. You have to complete the first step also. Then only you have to apply for the second step. And in protected online examination, this is the detail they have provided. So please, you will go through your announcement session of your course and you can read out those things. And this is if you cancel the exam, then what you will get. So 80% fee you will get returned, 20% they will take towards administrative cost. And this is the sample letter you will get. Already I have shown you this type of report card you will get once you cancel the exam, and you will not get any certificate, right? So I will clear you will not get any certificate. And this is the notice, a very important notice for the student who are going to graduate this year. So please, you all take very serious and make a serious effort to attend this online remote protected examination. So you will complete those courses and you can get the certificate. Those certificate will carry the big credit, means good credit in the market. When you go for joining the job or any company, then that will be really helpful to you. So please, you do write the examination by taking a serious effort. So this is the announcement we are getting in almost all courses. And now I want to take you the some mail regarding those updates. What are the new updates? So already I have explained this about tomorrow examination, on June 4th examination, that the information is still not sufficient to tell anything. Please, you wait till late night, you will get the information. And regarding the second announcement, you can see the same announcement you are getting in the mailbox. So this is the information already I have repeated from the announcement session. So now I am going to apply for change of exam center and also for cancellation. So you can select the option based on your choice, what you prefer and how you feel. You can select on your own convenience. So this is the link I am opening. After that I will show you those all process, how you can apply and what are the things. So please, you do subscribe my channel, so I will also get motivation. And please, you also do ask the question in comment section if you have any issue. Please, you don't do mail mode. I have to do personal reply, then it is taking a lot of time. So if you mention in comment section, so I can reply and other also get some help. So please, you do in comment section itself and share this video. So you can see here the exam registration form for January to April 2020. So here, click here. Note the form will close on the June 7, 10 AM. So this will be closed on that. And this is the again details. What are the details they have already provided? You can go with. And these all are the about what you have to do. Those all details I mentioned. And regarding in personal examination I was talking. So this is the date given by NPTEL. You can go this date and you can write the exam. So the exam which was scheduled for the March 29 can write exam on June 23rd. The exam which was scheduled on April 25th, then there's people can write on June 24th, and for April 26th the people can write on June 25th. But as I got the information, some exam was on also April 24th, like that. on that they have not provided any information. So please you feel free to mail on the email ID given by the NPTEL support team. So you do mail and ask those people, or you go to your course and check the announcement session on that, right? And you can see here the above course are those all things on the in personal examination, those social distancing and all those norms on the concern of health issue, they will maintained there, and you have to reach on examination center by your own arrangement only. So that is the information on that. So now I am going to click here and choose the mode of examination. Even you want to cancel the examination, you can cancel the examination. So I am getting the some net problem. Okay, I will pause the video for some timing. The power is off, so I lost the net connection. So now you can see here, this is the form we have got after clicking on this. After clicking on, where is that format? Okay. So after clicking on this link and then click now, I follow the procedure and I got this click here, and after that we got this. Okay, so I have registered for 2 course and I have also registered for enhancing soft skill and personality. So now I will go for, and I am selecting both for the online examination. You can select as per your convenience, and if you want to cancel the examination, you can cancel from here. So don't worry, if you have not got this mail also till date, and if you are looking for the link, then please don't worry, I will provide these all links in comment section as well as the video description. In by evening I will also get some other link, then I will also mention in the comment section and video description. So please you check there in case you need it, right? So please you subscribe the channel, and I am going to apply the next, and it is asking, you can see here alternate option. So alternate option they are asking, I understand and agree. What is the alternate option? So alternate please city change, okay, and nptel.ac.ca please try again and later, okay. So even I think you can apply for city change once you click on in personal examination and click on next. So please you try that. I don't want to try because I don't actually need that. So alternate option means they are asking that once we will not able to attend the exam, then what will be happen. So let me check it because this information is not sufficient. I see. Please select alternate option. So it is asking that yes, this is the new revision you have to got from the NPTEL. Once you are unable to attend the online examination, or maybe this is not clear yet. Once the NPTEL is not conducting like that, not able to conduct the examination, online examination after pilot test, which they are going to conduct tomorrow, then what the next option NPTEL will provide you. Either the NPTEL have to cancel your examination or arrange for in-personal examination. Like that, I think the information is. Okay. As I can relate it. So you can see here NPTEL is providing the option for you to select your examination center. So already I have told you that due to this corona effect, person and student have migrated from one place to other place, one city to other city, one state to other state. So NPTEL understand those things and they are trying to address our issue, and they are trying to provide you the option so we can change our city as per our convenience. Right? So I am going to select the state. I am currently in Andhra Pradesh, and city. So city is Tekali, right? And again you can select as per your convenience. So actually this is the changes in city you can apply, right? So I will also provide the short video only how you can cancel your exam, or how can you change the city of your examination, and how you can get refund. So those all I will provide in short video, so you can follow up. The second city again I think Visakhapatnam. Okay. And again I will go for the Visakhapatnam, because in Tekli there is one center, in Visakhapatnam there is two centers for our area, my area. So you select based on that only. Okay. Srundalam, there is Vijayawada, there is no Visakhapatnam, right? Okay, Vijayawada. Vijayanagaram. Okay, Vijayanagaram is nearby to me. Right? And save this. So this is the entire process. You can go with and complete this process. So is this save or not? It is not showing anything at all. I think this is save only. Okay. So this is save only, they are not showing any notification right now. What they are doing in these holidays, I don't know. Okay, so this is, I think this is done. Once again I will go and check from here what it is showing, because I am not getting any updates or any notification here. So sometimes it takes time to load, because there are lots of load on the server. So sometimes it's so like this can be reached longer response time. So please you do subscribe the channel for updates, and this is only video for everything: how to cancel exam, how to change the mode of examination, how to select the city. So it is really taking very long time. Maybe my net speed is good, but still I am waiting. Why it is taking this long time? Okay, so I will once pause the video, and once what will come after this processing I will resume it and tell you. So guys, I checked it out. Actually after clicking on save, it is working. The record has been saved without showing any notification. So don't worry, you complete this way. So I let you summarize what I have done it. I give the clarity about tomorrow June 4th examination, that still we have not any clear cut information about tomorrow examination. By late night we may get some mail regarding link or something, then we can tell you anything, because the instructor is also giving some contradictory information on that announcement session. The next things I explained you, that where the next exam is going to be, all those exam for remaining all courses, the main NPTEL is going to conduct from June 12 to June 21 on the online based platform, and the next in-person examination is going to conduct from 23rd June to 25th June, and there is still not clarity about what is the date for April 25th or 24th examination date. So once you check it and mail to the instructor, so you will get notification on that. And please you also do update me if you get any information on that. And the next thing I also explained you how to cancel NPTEL examination, or how to change the city, or how to change the mode of examination. I also clarified you how much refund you are going to get, and what are the benefits you are going to get by writing exam or by cancelling examination. So those all I have covered. Please you do subscribe my channel for my info, and also recommend your friend to subscribe my channel and share this video with everyone, so everyone can get information on time. So thanks again you all. Please stay safe, stay happy, stay learning, and please prepare for the tomorrow examination and wait for the information till late night. So thanks again. Thanks buddy. Have a good